Renewal and New Hire Worksheets. Before you run worksheets, you may wish to verify that your group information is up to date for calculating renewal rates. First, click this button. On the Edit Quoting Census page, you can change ages to dates of birth and update employee zip codes as needed. When you've updated the census, click the Save button. Along with adding renewal worksheets, new hire worksheets have been updated. To run a new hire worksheet, click this button. The New Hire and Renewal Worksheets page now appears. Here you have a choice as to what worksheets you want to create. We'll do a New Hire Live Event worksheet, so click the Next button. New Hire worksheets require you to verify that the current plan, for which you are creating the worksheet, is up to date. First, check the effective date for the plan. Now that we've updated the effective date, click the RAF field. And with the policy info up to date, let's check the package and plans. First, click this button. The Select Plans page now appears. To change the package, click the Package Selection drop-down. For this example, we'll use the Plan Select package. The Plan Selection box now fills with plans that are available to your selected package. Click to select the plans you want. And when the plans are selected, click the OK button. Now select any riders for the policy. Now let's look at the employer contribution. First, click in the employee percentage, and everything looks fine. But here, if you want your HRWow clients to run their own new hire worksheets, click this checkbox. And with the policy updated, click the Next button. On the next page, you can enter the name of the new hire. First, click this field, type in the first name, then tab over or click the last name box and enter the last name. Now enter the employee date of birth. Now select the zip code field and enter the employee's zip code. Now you may select the plans that will be offered to the employee on the worksheet. And if this is a new employee, not yet added to AgencyWow, click the Add Employee to Census to save their information to your account. With the new hire worksheets ready, click the Generate button. And with the new hire worksheet on the way, click the Close button to complete. In order to generate renewal worksheets, you must first select employees. We'll click this checkbox to select all employees for the group. With the employees selected, click the Generate Renewal Worksheets button. If this confirmation appears, you may wish to accept that the business zip will be used, or click Cancel and Edit Quoting Census to update the employee's zip code information. We'll accept the business address, so click the Continue button. The Renewal Worksheet page now opens. To get started, click the Next button. On this page, we'll check the current policy info, starting with the current effective date. And if the package or plans are out of date, click the Select Plans button. Then when the Select Plans page appears, click the Package Selection drop-down and select a package. The plan selection fills with plans available to your selected package. So select Plans, and with the package and plans selected, click the OK button. If there are any riders to the policy, select them here. You may also update the employer contribution if needed. You can also change the plan to apply employer contribution to by clicking this drop-down and making your choice of plan. Now you'll need to select a plan for each employee who doesn't have one, or update employee plan selections as needed. So click the Plans drop-down and select a plan for the employee. Continue adding or updating plans for all employees. If your client has an HRWow account, you may check this box and they'll be able to run their own renewal worksheets from HRWow. When you're finished updating the current policy, click the Next button. The Renewal Policy Info page appears. Here you may wish to verify or update the RAF. You can also check out the package selection and plans offered. First, click here. When the Select Plans page appears, click on the Package Selection drop-down. And from the drop-down, select a package. Now the plan selection box fills up with plans that are available for your chosen package. So select your plans, And with your package and plans selected, click the OK button. And if the renewal policy has riders, add them here. Now let's look at the employer contribution section. For this policy, the contribution is up to date, so let's just click the Plans to Apply dropdown and select a plan. You may also change the email address for the renewal sheets in this field. With the email address changed, click the Next button. You now have the opportunity to check the current and renewal policy information. With the changes confirmed, click the Generate button, and then click the Close button. Your renewal worksheets are now being generated and will be emailed to you. To see any renewal or new hire worksheet created, click the Attachments tab in the group, and from the Activities page, select a rate sheet. AgencyWow allows you to share your renewal and new hire worksheets with your HRWow clients. To do that, first check this box next to the file you wish to share, then click the Actions button. From the drop-down that appears, click the Show Attachments in HRWow hyperlink. And when AgencyWow asks you to confirm, click Yes. Your HRWow client will now be able to view the file in their own Attachments page. If you should run into any trouble with your renewal worksheets or new hire worksheets, just click this Reset button to remove any changes you've made and redo the worksheets. AgencyWow will remind you that you are restoring the worksheet data. Click Continue here, and the worksheet data has been successfully reset. This concludes the demonstration.